In this lesson, we'll dive into some of my favorite tips and tricks for effective body doubling. Body doubling can be used for all sorts of tasks, from work and study to managing household chores. Presence of others can turn mundane tasks into manageable, even enjoyable activities. Personally, I found it really hard to make time for self-care and play, so I've started using body doubling to carve that space out for myself. These sessions don't have to be all about work. You can use them to do your dishes, craft, paint your nails, go for a walk, whatever tasks in your life feel easier with others around. Here are some of my favorite tips and tricks for effective body doubling. Number 1, create a workspace that's conducive to focus, free from distractions, and equipped with everything you need to complete your tasks. Keep some water and a snack on hand to make sure that you're hydrated and fed throughout the session. Number 2, define specific goals for each session to maintain focus and direction. If you struggle with this, consider checking out my course on prioritizing using the Eisenhower matrix. Number 3, have a brief check-in with your partner at the beginning and the end of each session. This allows you to share your goals at the start and celebrate your wins at the end. Number 4, build in regular breaks to ensure you're meeting your basic needs. Use these breaks to drink water, eat snacks, and take care of yourself. Short, frequent breaks can help you maintain your energy and focus. I always make sure to include at least 1 break in a 1-hour session and 2 breaks in a 2-hour session to remind myself to stay hydrated. Number 5, don't be afraid to experiment with different approaches. Body doubling can range from 20 minutes to 3 hours, can be conducted on or offline, one-on-one, in large groups, and it can be verbal or text-based. The key is finding what works best for you. By following these best practices and incorporating body doubling into your routine, you can create a supportive environment that makes it easier to stay on track and achieve your goals. With the encouragement and presence of others, even the most daunting tasks can become more enjoyable and manageable.